Good morning, traders. In this video, I would like to address the power of Alpha Fibonacci system on S&P mini future before last election and in preparation for the historical election of 2020. This is S&P right now. Intelligent trader understands all of this was identified many months in advance. Sell-off on S&P played out at the start of 2020 because crucial support was broken. Bearish pullback on S&P since the month of August was a mild profit taking. 3200 is crucial institutional support that remains the most important institutional support on S&P 2020. Alpha Fibonacci trader knows what broken support means. In order to trade with institutions, you must obey Alpha Fibonacci rules, which we discuss in every Thursday class and modules 3 and 4. As I mentor you how to trade, how to think as JP Morgan trader does, whom I mentored. I mentor you how to trade the markets as top 1% does, as billions of dollars traded on weekly chart. And if you want to become successful, every single morning you understand what institutions do prior to ever placing a trade. This is what played out before last election with Alpha Fibonacci system. Months prior, price stuck at crucial support. 1800 level is lifeline on S&P. Intelligent trader knows and understands when price will come to 2800, it will be a war zone. With high 80% probability, market will sell off. This is what plays out next. Before election, price reaches the end of the minor trend. Many months in advance, intelligent trader knows this level is out. Decision point to 2300 is next, with 2500 to follow. Before the election, pullback. Market loves Trump. What is the problem before the election? Who is leading the polls? Hillary. Oops! Not a good news for Wall Street. Trump is good for economy. Hillary is not. All the polls, all the news, Hillary is winning. Market in shock. Not a good news. Intelligent trader knows. Alpha Fibonacci resistance identified months in advance is a problem. Market reset by Alpha Fibonacci puzzle. Intelligent trader knows pullback before the election is opportunity. It is Soros versus Johnson. Source of betting short on Trump. Johnson says absolutely not, reflecting majority of Wall Street. I attend hedge fund convention morning after the election to see what fund managers have done. Soros take $8 billion position against Trump. He can. It's personal. Hedge fund managers follow Soros. What happens the night of the election? World is floored and shocked. Wall Street buying the market left and right. Soros can afford to lose $8 billion. No problem. Bullish rally goes on. Wall Street loves Trump. Vicious buying is on. Trump, good for economy, lowest unemployment in history of US. But when price reaches Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone identified years in advance, it's a problem. It did not matter if it's Trump, it did not matter if it's Clinton, it did not matter who won the election, market preset. That's what matters. Market is Alpha Fibonacci puzzle, intelligent trader knew this years in advance. This is what monthly chart looked like years before the election. This is it. So if you understand that market is flawless Alpha Fibonacci puzzle, you turn off the noise. You understand its personal vendetta between Soros versus Johnson. You turn off the news, you turn off the noise, you pay attention to price. Because this was bearish correction between 2800 and 2300 level. So when price stages spectacular reversal at the end of bearish correction, intelligent trader knows where buyers stepped in from. There is no surprise. Critical resistance, few months after the election, becomes critical support. Market is flawless Alpha Fibonacci puzzle. Here is S&P now. Here's S&P post sell-off. Everyone seeing this? This is what matters. Does not matter who will win the election. You know many months in advance where reversal zone will be. That's the only thing that matters in the market. Currently, S&P reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone many months in advance. So this morning S&P in brutal bearish correction, but Alpha Fibonacci support remains respected. This is what intelligent trader knows, obeys and understands. Mild profit taking is on. And I know how hedge fund managers think. I know how Wall Street thinks because I work with them. It is Soros versus Johnson. Soros keeps betting short on Trump. Johnson keeps betting long. The only thing that matters, what price is telling you. That's it. 3200 on S&P holding the key. Everything else, background noise. Because if trading on the news worked, everyone on this planet would be Bill Gates. The biggest vertical rally during the worst pandemic ever is a stunning reminder. Crisis is opportunity. If you understand that, you turn off the noise. You turn off the political junk. You start understanding that market is flawless Alpha Fibonacci puzzle. You trading the price. You respecting institutional trading ranges, institutional bias, institutional power. And that's S&P mini futures in the last 4 years. In current election and before last election. So when students keep reporting that they double their account because of your trading, it's common when student makes an effort. Ignoring the news, trading the price with the method. because intelligent trader knows. News created to create panic, to create hate, because panic and hate sells. So when you get rid of all the noise, when you get rid of all the political junk, you start thinking as strategic human being, you do extremely well. No matter if it's Trump, no matter if it's Biden wins election. It's just extra noise. It is all priced in front of you. And that's all that matters. Trade the price, not the noise, is the most important message. So if you're ready to do what Ken have done, please, first of all, listen to Ken here. Ken's podcast, his journey, and view movie Ken shared about his life. As Ken, a whole lot higher than 68 out of 68 trades. So Ken thinking as top 1% does. Ken seeing opportunity in the market, as you can see. Ken inspiring others. Ken is killing it in the markets. Trading options with Alpha Fibonacci System. 110 for 110. One day Ken will update with movie about his life and his trading. That's it. And that's spectacular work. If Ken can do this, so can you. You simply need to make an effort. Ken was distracted by his main business. Lockdown became opportunity because Ken had to find a way to make a living. That's it. That's how top 1% thinks. Only this way. No other way to do. You must make an effort. You must see crisis as opportunity. And when election comes and you understand how powerful this event is, you will do exactly what Ken has done. Made more money in lockdown than whole year working. Boom. Phenomenal effort. Treating trading as a serious business. So this is our annual event. It will not repeat again for at least next 3-4 years. I promise you. Annual Genesis Trading Bootcamp with Genesis System will not repeat until at least 2023. May never repeat again. It is included in the package for new students only. Only 4 spaces left. Graduates signing up, waiting list of graduates every single year who love mastering new strategies and who love perfecting trading. 1 minute in a bootcamp will be equivalent to many years of your previous trading experience, as you will never see markets in the same way ever again. So if you would like to trade as a hedge fund trader, if you would like to take your trading to entirely new level, join us in 3 months group course or 6 months private mentoring. Genesis Bootcamp, Genesis System included. More details on this page. But the most important thing, listen to traders. Listen what's possible if you make an effort. If complete beginner Pablo can do it, if Ken can do it, double his account during main crisis, if Child can do it, those are the traders who are making an effort. Brad was making $9 an hour before he came to Fibonacci Trading Institute. View students' emails, more and more updated weekly. And that's how your life will change forever. In the month of May, Ken was 44.40. This morning, it is very different number. What did it show you? Ultimate quality trading. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. Remember, this is what traders do in US and globally with Alpha Fibonacci system with serious effort. And worst markets remain. We remain unwavered. We knew extremely well. When Alpha Fibonacci support is present, you never ever ever short near. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. If these traders can do it, so can you. You simply have to decide what you want to trade. It never gets old, I promise, to see what's possible when you make an effort. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me. Simply pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much.